Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog and a beautiful day in the city of Houston, Texas. Today it is really a beautiful day and I want to jump into the pool. But first, we're gonna do something to the car that is damaged. Yeah. Since I bought it, I think so far is the only thing I have found to the car so far. Hopefully I don't find anything else, but so far the only problem with this car is a real clean red interior, but yeah, this is broken right here. But the good news is I found one on eBay in the same color, and actually has the lock that it has it on carbon fiber, so it's gonna look super cool. Another cool mod, small mod, it's not a modification, it's just a cool touch right here. I bought on carbon fiber. It's like a cap that it goes on top of the airbag piece right here, so it's like, kind of like a cover, carbon fiber cover. Doesn't do anything, nothing, it just looks cool. And the cool thing about this that I just bought in is that it has these on carbon fiber as well. The light's not the best right here, but you can kind of see it there. So we're gonna replace it. We're gonna take this one out. It's only a couple of screws. Gonna drop it down, put the new one in, and we will be nice and shining, baby. So let's just do it. Let's just get the tools and make it happen. Dip right here, and we gotta take this screw out. It's another one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. No, you guys cannot see it, but it's down there is those 3 and 2 here. But we have a problem that this doesn't have a way to open, so I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I'm gonna break this one open and take the screws out, or I am going to figure it out and see how it opens. I like this one. I think this top looks better than that one. I might swap it out depending on how that one looks. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get this one open and make it real quick. Okay, and I'm all sweating. It's like 95 degrees out there. That's why I'm doing this here in the shade. And I know, guys, we need to redo the whole garage and make it look nice. Right now it's not the best looking garage. Not only my mess, but the rest. So yeah, I have a lot to do to this house. That's on my plans. And today I'm wearing my shirt from my team Savage, the best of the best supercar club here in Houston. So yeah, make sure if you're on Instagram, follow us, Team Savage. There you go, baby. And of course, follow me, and remember to subscribe down below to the channel. It's completely free to subscribe. I'm less than 400 subscribers right now. Let's see if for August I can get to 1,000 subscribers. I need your help, so make sure to subscribe down below to the channel, like the video, and let's keep doing this. So now this one is out. This is the old one that is broken right here. It doesn't have the latch, but this one looks a little bit, well, in the right here it looks kind of like similar, but this one I think it looks a little bit better. This one has like a little marks right here, here. So, and this one doesn't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer that to here. Or this to there. Yes. So let's do it. So to transfer this, remember, this is the only part I'm gonna transfer, the top. So to transfer this part to that one, all I have to do is just take this screw, this one right here, this one right here, and that one over there, and that complete part you transfer to the other one, and it looks better. So let's just do it. And 20 minutes later, we have the old one, but better looking one, into the new one, old one, but not broken Glovebox. Let's just put it in, and we're done. And it's done, baby. It's dirty, but it's done. Now we have dirty Glovebox, but at least functioning Glovebox. Clean it. It's gonna look beautiful. So now it is working, and it has that carbon fiber touch right there that it looks super cool. It's some pieces that you can buy online to replace this for carbon fiber. Of course, this is a 2009 car. It had some blemishes and stuff like that into the interior, but nothing too bad. Nothing too, I mean, it's not too bad though. For a 12-year-old car, I think it looks amazing in the interior. It's a clean title car. This part they sell it for carbon fiber too. I think it can look super cool. We replace only this and those parts. I don't like when it's like all carbon fiber all around, but I think this piece, that piece, and this piece I added here are gonna look like super cool. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like I said, I'm sorry, it's hot here, so that's why I'm sweating, but we did it, guys. Another one, and it's looking good. I mean, it's looking good now. It's not broken, and the car is in 100% condition, so I love that. I have another question. I need you guys to know, what about this engine? Is the SW20, the regular engine, the 2.0 non-turbo engine? Of course, yeah, I have a lot of things on top of the car, but what about if we do an electric conversion on the MR2? That could be super cool. I was thinking on doing like a K-swap or something like that, but everybody has done that. But what about a completely electric MR2? I think that can be super cool. Let me know in the comments down below if you think that's can be a super cool project. If we take out the engine and put electric engine in it, batteries, and make it be as fast as this car. So that can be super cool if we finally make something like that. And it'll be a super interesting project, I believe. So it's a pretty good looking car though. I mean, we took it from the ground to this, and I love it. I love that project, but I don't know. For the last couple of days, I have been thinking on it, and I think it can be a super cool project. That has been all for the video of today. Thank you guys for joining me in this journey of my supercars. So remember to subscribe, like this video, and smile, because it's good to be alive. So I will see you guys next time. Woo! So but wait, it's too hot, man. I think it's time to get in the pool.